Hey guys, this is Maya and you are on my channel Bookshot. If you are new on this channel, here I talk all about books, and if you are interested in books, make sure you stay tuned with Bookshot. Now, just like any other skill that takes time to develop, reading is also a skill that grows with time. The more you explore books, the better reader you become. You might have heard this saying, you become what you read, and that is absolutely true, and hence it becomes very important that you choose good books to read. In this video, I'll be giving you 7 tips on how to choose good books to read, because reading good books is very important for you to grow as a reader and also as a person. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Tip number 1, find people who are doing great in your area of interest. Now, every person is different. Your area of interest might be entirely different from my area of interest. So find people who are doing better than you in your area of interest. For example, say if you are a freelancer, find people who are better than you in freelancing. If you have such people in your real life, that would be great. But if you don't have people in your real life, it is not a big deal today to find people on social media. So go find these people who are doing better than you. See their profile, see if they have talked about any books in specific which has helped them in their journey. If not, DM them, ask them what kind of books they read and what would they recommend you to read. My second tip would be to make best use of Goodreads. Go on Goodreads, see what other people are reading there. If you are interested in those books, add them to your reading shelf, or scroll down and see similar recommendations. Choose books from those lists. And then if you go on the homepage of Goodreads, there you will find articles like Best Books of 2020, Goodreads Choice Awards. You will find best books from each genre. There is something called seasonal reading that people do. October is considered to be the horror month. It is also the month of Black history. So if you go on Goodreads now, on the top you will see that best horror recommendations for you. So choose books from those categories. So basically what I'm saying is Goodreads is the best place for you to find great books. Tip number 3, look out for award-winning books. Now, books win awards for a reason, right? So make sure you read some of the award-winning books. There are so many literature awards throughout the world. Google it, find out which are those literary awards and find out which books won those awards in the previous years. Or read the books from the long list and short list. Reading award-winning books will definitely expand your reading horizon. So I am doing this, and I would also suggest you to do this. Tip number 4, do not fall for bestseller tags. Now, I'm not saying that every bestseller book out there is a bad book, but then these bestseller tags are mostly used as marketing tools to make you purchase those books. Sometimes the reviews of these books are manipulated. Like, maybe we can talk about this in a different video. The point here is, do not fall for the bestseller tag. Not every bestseller book is a bad book, but then most of them are not good books, to be very honest. Instead, go for the award-winning books, which makes much more sense. Tip number 5, do not underestimate the power of libraries and bookstores. If you have a library in your place, please make the best use of that library. When it comes to libraries, you don't have the obligation to pay for the book, so it becomes much more easier. And in case if you don't have a library at your place, go to a bookstore. So the thing with libraries and bookstores is that you will find much more variety of books which you might not even find on Amazon and Goodreads. Tip number 6, consider joining book clubs. Now, book clubs are the places where you will find better readers who read better books. Book clubs also have this thing where they choose one book every month and all the members of the club read that book together and they discuss these books. Now, personally, I'm not a part of any book club, but I do read books with other people, and that is a different experience. So consider joining book clubs, or if you don't want to join book clubs as such, do keep track of the books that they are reading in their book club. Note it down and read it later. My last but not the least and the very underrated tip of the day would be, listen to booktubers, book bloggers and bookstagrammers. We are here for a reason. We curate books for other readers. We make sure that we give you the best recommendations possible, and sometimes we even tell you which books not to read. So make sure you follow at least some booktubers, bookstagrammers or book bloggers to make your reading journey much more enjoyable. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave a few book recommendations for you in the description box below. If you are interested, do check them out. And if you have some opinions to add, do leave a comment below. whether you follow these tips or not, that is not the point of this video. The point is that do not shrink yourself into reading mediocre books and find ways to read good books in your life. And see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.